To keep your children safe online, you can also block inappropriate URLs and websites from their search results. WebFilter helps you filter out sites that aren't safe for your kids. No matter what browser they're using, they won't see explicit or violent stuff anymore. You can find WebFilter on the Features tab of the app. There you have 3 options. Manage the websites your child gets to visit with WebFilter configuration. See reports of visited websites with Web Activity Report. This chart shows the average number of searches and blocked searches for the week. Let's explore each feature in more detail. This is how you can set a web filter on your child's device. Tap on Web Filter Configuration. Selecting a category blocks all websites in that category. Toggle the website categories you want to block from your child's search results. On the Exception tab, you can manually block or allow certain keywords from your child's search results. Tap on Add Exception, enter the URL and select whether to block or allow it. Tap on Add Exception to save. You can also see the other exceptions you've already set and delete or customize them. To find out what websites your child has searched on the web, you can press on Web Activity Report. You can filter the report by day, week, or month. You can also see the websites your kids searched online, including blocked searches. Or check out the whole website by tapping View Search Results. And that's it. Let us know what you think.